Zoisha. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. There we go. Welcome back to my channel. It's a new day in quarantine. You can't wait a little bit? There's no need to get copyrighted. Anyways, I'm at my cousin's house with my cousins.
Hello?
Oh shit, my body's gonna die. I'll be right back. After going through two bad... Ooh, it's lighting though. Hello. Okay. Soon I'm gonna go stop see me another week here. I do my ear tomorrow, so I'll go be a brand new Zoe. Yeah, talk to me nice. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just trying to social distance down here, but these people aren't taking it serious. You know what I'm saying? But I am at my cousin's house. He is supposed to be having some type of a fish fry, but there's nowhere to fry fish. There's nowhere. Where are you gonna fry it?
I have the good steel.
No, a fish fry is grill.
The iron.
A fish fry is a grill. We don't do cast iron in Jamaica. They don't have cast iron pots in Jamaica and call it fish fry.
Funny thing, they have cast
No,
iron.
not for fish,
Right
not for fish fries.
now they have
This Negro, you understand? Like, yo, no, but honestly, you guys, I look freaking good. This lighting is everything.
Yeah.
Outfit of the day. Me a slim down, you know, big up Danielle. Logging for the stars, big up you. Yeah. Anyway, so. Oh, and the ice out tea, you guys. I'm soon giving them little reviews and stuff like that, but things are just happening. Yeah. So anyways, my cousin, yeah, he invited us over, and I don't know who else is coming here. My heart is anxietying, you know, because I recently had a scare with the coronavirus. Long story, I'll tell you guys about that another time or whatever. I don't want to, you know, whatever. But anyways, I just came to swim. I just came to swim in the pool. Okay, I came to swim in the pool and go in the jacuzzi. So that is what I'm about to do. I'm about to go put on my bathing suit and I'm about to go in there. My other cousin went to go pick up her kids, so I'll see her in a little bit. But I'm gonna go and enjoy the weather. It's a very nice day. It's been a very nice week, actually. It's supposed to rain, so I kind of want to go in there a little bit first. And before people come, I'm a week fly off and all of these things. So I want to go in there, enjoy myself a little bit. And yeah, I wanted to wear shorts today, but my legs aren't shaved.
Huh?
My legs aren't shaved, so I couldn't wear shorts. But I'm gonna go in the pool because ain't nobody gonna see my legs in the water. Coronavirus. So yeah, Darren, say hi. Yay! William is on the phone handling business as per usual. So yeah.
It doesn't sound that bad.
Excited. I'll be back, okay? Hi. People, good girl ready for you pool, yeah? Oh, not to you. I'm talking to these people. Oh, wait, William. Tell me what you're saying about the shit, what did I do? Yeah.
Yeah, he was saying that he's well, he has the equipment, he's looking for equipment. He does all of that. He's looking for content and stuff to film.
So what is he trying to film? So guys, I'm at the beach. Talk to me nice. Yeah, girl. Me there at the beach. Talk to me nice now. Talk to me good now.
Creating the concept, right? Yeah, that's what I was talking to the film guys. They're like,
film guys alone can't do it. When you're a writer, you need somebody who will write it. So if you have talk it and envision it, yeah.
I did these 4 episodes. How did they made another series?
Oh shit.
Thank you.
Try to swim. Look at her.
Not try to swim, I can't swim.
And look at this dog paddle now.
Black girls don't play. Everybody knows.
Are you sick? I just
Look at the dog paddle, people. Watch her now. Watch her now, people. Look on them big splashes now.
I can't swim.
Look on them big splashes, people.
Yo, you're stupid.
Come on, let me see the dog paddle. We want to see the dog paddle.
Nobody's just dog. That's not how you swim. You don't dog paddle.
That's how most people swim. Are not American swim. Dog paddle.
Ross, Jesus, the matches come off. God.
Walk your walk.
I don't have to swim, okay? My father taught me how after I almost drowned. And then I lose my life on doctor's skin.
Seriously?
Huh?
Seriously?
Yeah, one time when I was like small, I think I was like 5. he left me to go get something, and he was like, yo, don't move.
And you move.
And I went in the water, and he came, he looked, and he couldn't see me, and all he seen was my hands. Oh God, good times. I would be in a dancer one. I want to be a dancer queen.
You know, part of the reality show part is gonna be when we start having these discussions, no?
Which discussions about shit about Toronto?
Yeah, shit that's going on, you know, like, oh, how come the dancehall thing is not promoted, you know what I'm saying?
So you guys, if you guys live in Toronto, what kind of movies or reality show ideas do you think we could showcase here in Toronto for those of you who live here in Toronto? Comment down below, let me know.
Most people like the mix of the two. Like already something like Toronto, the mix it with like the Caribbean.
So yeah, I am back home. Yeah, got caught up and all of that type of stuff. I don't think this is gonna be the ending of the vlog just because I don't feel like I have enough footage to end it here. But mommy is coming over tomorrow to help me plan, so I think I will continue with the vlog then. So I am going to my bed. I will see you guys tomorrow. So guys, good morning. Look at my plan. This is my new baby. I don't know what I'm gonna call her yet, but I'm thinking of a name for my baby.
Ooh.
My plant. I'm thinking of a name for her. You said I have to treat it like my baby and talk to it every day, right?
Every morning you wake up and say,
So this is my plant. My mom is here trying to fix it. I bought this pot, but she said it's too small. So we're putting it in this for now until I get another pot. So everything has to go with the ambiance, yeah? But here I got my place. I come together in a little bit. So yeah, Vesta do our job. She's the plant lady. If anybody need a plant for catch or anything like that, she's the lady for call. She's planty, okay? So she there. I do my things. Yeah, I buy my style. I buy the something. You know, yeah, call me Plantisha. So yeah, it's gonna be so nice. I hope it grows like a little bit bigger. But I need a next tall one too. I love it.
don't buy something wide. This going out like
just deep.
Oh.
Just deep.
Yeah, they might feel like creeper, it can spread around. But this is going up, so you can buy a nice pot that up.
Okay, so something like the yellow one, but just taller.
Right.
Alright.
Hey, bro.
So that's what's up. So when I need water.
Right now, yeah. Sure. You don't want to put too much stuff, you don't want to eat it.
Me, you do it.
And still say enough to make themselves look like a damn fool.
Everything. Okay.
Give me a break, please.
Zoe, lift up the pot of plant and put it right here. Just lift up and put it there, son. Right here, son.
Okay, what do you
Oh, this is really good. Very good. Right. Yeah, man, I'm put some water in it. Just like 1 cup of water.
Yeah, when you're done, you put the water in it. Breaking news. Y'all time hot.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Time hot, B. Time hot, but yeah, that's it for today. For now, I'm making some curry chicken and some dumplings.
But right now it's really good for that size. And you put soy in it and everything.
Okay. Okay. Okay.